A group of 10 students scored the following marks out of 20 in a mathematics test: 15, 17, 18, 20, 14, 12, 16, 13, 11, 19. To determine the overall performance of the group in this test, or to find out which sport is more popular among a group of students, the concept measures of central tendency in statistics is used. Today, we are going to study some of the measures of central tendency. Central tendency. The numbers in the data collected in surveys tend to cluster around a certain number. This property is called the central tendency of the group. Measures of central tendency. The number around which the numbers in the data tend to cluster is called the measure of central tendency. The measure is considered as a representative of the data. In statistics, the three measures of central tendency are mean, median, and mode, which are mainly used. Mean. The arithmetical average of all observations in the given data is called mean of the data. Therefore, mean is equal to sum of all the observations in the data divided by total number of observations. Example: in a series of 5 test cricket matches, a player scored 61, 75, 82, 88 and 54 runs respectively. Find the mean of the runs scored by the player. Now mean is equal to sum of all observations in the data divided by total number of observations, which gives us 61 plus 75 plus 82 plus 88 plus 54 upon 5 equal to 360 divided by 5 is equal to 72. Therefore, the mean of the runs scored by the player is equal to 72. Now in this example, the number of observations is small, so using the above formula is convenient. However, when the number of scores is large, a frequency table is useful. Let's study an example. In an examination of mathematics, out of 50 marks, the marks obtained by 40 students of class 9 are as follows: 50, 45, 40, 36, 34, 38, 40, 42, 45, 25, 30, 28, 34, 32, 36, 45, 50, 38, 42, 46, 48, 50, 48, 46, 32, 40, 45, 48, 38, 40, 48, 38, 45, 46, 50, 30, 32, 34, 34, 42. Now from this, calculate the mean of the marks based on this information. Solution. Let's prepare a frequency table. Students' marks, that is xi, number of students, that is the frequency fi, and fi into xi. Now for 25 marks, frequency f1 is 1, therefore 25 into 1 equal to 25. For 28, frequency f2 is 1, therefore 28 into 1 equal to 28. For 30, frequency f3 is 2, therefore 30 into 2 equal to 60. For 32, frequency f4 is 3, therefore 32 into 3 equal to 96. For 34, the frequency f5 is 4, therefore 34 into 4 is equal to 136. For 36, the frequency f6 is 2, therefore 36 into 2 is equal to 72. For 38, the frequency f7 is 4, therefore 38 into 4 is equal to 152. For 40, the frequency f8 is equal to 4, therefore 40 into 4 is equal to 160. For 42, the frequency f9 is 3. Therefore, 42 into 3 is equal to 126. For 45, the frequency F10 is 5. Therefore, 45 into 5 is equal to 225. For 46, frequency F11 is 3. Therefore, 46 into 3 is equal to 138. For 48, frequency F12 is 4. Therefore, 48 into 4 is equal to 192. For 50, the frequency F13 is 4. Therefore, 50 into 4 is equal to 200. Now, here n is equal to total number of students is the summation of Fi is 40 and summation of Fi to Xi is equal to 1610. Now in this example, n is equal to summation of Fi, that is 40, and summation of Fi to Xi is equal to 1610. To calculate the mean, the following formula is used. Mean is equal to x bar equal to summation of Fi Xi upon n. Therefore, mean equal to x bar is equal to summation of Fi Xi upon n equal to 1610 divided by 40 is equal to 40.25. Therefore, mean of the given data is 40.25. Median. To find the median, scores in the given data are arranged in the ascending or descending order. The number appearing at the middle position in this order is called the median of the data. If the total number of values is even, the median is the average of the two middle numbers. Let's study with some of the examples. Find the median of the following data: 78, 68, 90, 86, 70, 75, 58. Solution. Let's arrange observations in the given data in ascending order, which gives us 58, 68, 70, 75, 78, 86 and 90. The total number of values in the given data is 7. It's an odd number. Therefore, the fourth value appears in the middle position, which is 75. Therefore, the median of the given data is 75. Find the median of the following data: 37, 41, 19, 11, 23, 17, 29, 31, 13 and 43. Solution. Let's arrange observations in the given data in ascending order, which gives us 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43. The total number of values is 10. It's an even number. Therefore, the fifth and sixth numbers are in the middle position. Here, these numbers are 23 and 29. Therefore, median is equal to 23 plus 29 divided by 2 equal to 52 divided by 2 equal to 26. Therefore, the median of the given data is 26. From these two examples, we can conclude that when the total number of observations is n, if n is an odd number, then median is equal to the observation at the n plus 1 upon 2 position. If n is even, then median is equal to the average of the observations at the n upon 2 and the n upon 2 plus 1 position. Therefore, median is equal to observation at n upon 2 position plus observation at n upon 2 plus 1 position divided by 2. Mode. The observation which is repeated maximum number of times in the given data is known as the mode of the data. Let's study this with an example. The weights in kilograms of 10 students are as follows: 35, 37, 40, 38, 43, 42, 40, 39, 40 and 45. Solution. Let's arrange observations in the given data in ascending order. It is convenient to find the observation which is repeated maximum number of times. Ascending order is 35, 37, 38, 39, 40, 40, 40, 42, 43 and 45. The observation which is repeated maximum number of times is 40. Therefore, the mode of students' weights is 40 kg. A hockey player scored the following number of goals in 10 matches. 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 4 and 2. Solution. Let's arrange the data in ascending order as 0, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4. Here, both 3 and 4 appear 3 times each. Therefore, the mode of number of goals is 3 and 4. Now, this example shows that a given data can have one or more than one mode. Now, we have learned the 3 measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. The choice of which measure is to be used depends on the purpose of the analysis. What did we learn? The number around which most of the values in a dataset cluster is considered to represent the group. This number is called a measure of central tendency. We have learned about the 3 measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. The choice of which measure to use depends on the purpose of the analysis. Exercise. The maximum daily temperatures in degrees Celsius recorded in Vadgaon over a week are 29.2, 28.5, 29.0, 30.0, 28.1, 28.2 and 30.0. Find the median of the given data. For a festival, 40 families contributed the following amounts in rupees. Contribution in rupees: 8 families contributed 50 rupees. 9 families contributed 100 rupees. 5 families contributed 150 rupees. 7 families contributed 200 rupees. 5 families contributed 250 rupees. 2 families contributed 300 rupees. 3 families contributed 350 rupees. 2 families contributed 400 rupees. 1 family contributed 450 rupees. 1 family contributed 500 rupees. Find the mean of the contribution amounts based on the given data. Find the mode of the following data set: 24, 25, 27, 19, 21, 23, 27, 27, 24, 24.